Hey guys and girls, I hope you're all keeping well. Haven't uploaded for a few days because I actually have COVID and I've not had any desire or motivation to do anything. But I got my Pro Raso Red in the post that I mentioned in the previous video, the first episode of where I learned how to use a cutthroat razor. This is episode 2. I can't really smell it. I can't get any of the scent from it. But I'm still going to use it. And we're still going to give it a whirl. So, yeah. This is a little series that I thought I'd put together where I learn how to use a cutthroat razor. I have created the series playlist on my channel. So, there's only one video in it so far. After I upload this video will be in it. So, there'll be 2 videos. So if that sounds interesting to you, you want to watch this little series, then feel free to subscribe. That's much appreciated. All right, let's get into it. So the brush I'm using, I've literally just flopped out the water. It's the same brush as the last video, executive shaving, synthetic brush, and the soap I'm using, as I've just said, the Pro Raso Red. So let's go straight to the puck and mix up a lather. Okay, we've got a nice amount in the brush. We'll give that a go. Alright, just gonna go straight into the face. I'll just add a bit more water. Drop a bit more water onto it. Okay. I did want to put a bit more lather on than I usually would, because I've got a nearly a week's worth of stubble, and I wanted a bit more protection. So let's see if I can remember how to do this. We're going to start on the right side, go to the left, and then go to the throat. Okay, here we go. Any bits that I do miss, which I imagine I probably will do, I'm going to come in with the safety razor to touch up any bits that I miss. Get proper grip first, that would be a good idea. Feels pretty good. I'm going to do this like that, that's it. Okay. I'm happy with that on the right side. So now I'm going to move over to the left side. Is that right? It's like that, isn't it? I get so confused when I move over to the left hand. Yeah, that's right, yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. That is both cheeks done. Missed a little bit there, but I can touch that up later. We've got the connectors, the chin, that's done, and the cheeks are done. Yep. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the throat. Okay. Moving down onto the throat. Okay, I'm going to swap hands to do the left side. Place still alright. I'm pretty happy with with that. I mean, not really many places I can feel on the right side at least that need touching up. Maybe a little bit there, but down here is fine. A little bit there. Left cheek is fine. Under there is fine. Under there is fine. So it's literally just a little tiny place here. Just want to drop a little bit of lather on there. We'll go right-handed for this one. That's got it. Excuse me. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm really happy with that shave. So we're gonna rinse all the gubbins off, and then I'll come back for the post-shave routine. Oh, okay. I've got my onesie on. I've got my hoodie on. I'm not well. So that shave I thought went quite well. Might need a bit more practice with the lather, but I think it did a good job. So the aftershave, I'm sure you know it by now. It's the only one I have. It's the only one I use. It's the Nivea Men Post Shave Balm. This is the one with aloe vera in it, and usually it smells lovely, and I just can't smell it. So I'm going to pop a dollop on the hand. There we go, that will do. And now I'm just going to rub it together. You know how to put post shave balm on. Oh, that's good. That feels nice. Slight bit of irritation down here. Oh, that feels nice. Nice and cooling and refreshing. And at the moment, I need to feel refreshed. So that is the post shave balm done. We are going to go for an aftershave. I'm weighing up between the two. These the only two I have. Is the Ars Ashena that I used in the last video by X-Ray Cosmesi, or the Barocco, which is also by X-Ray Cosmesi. So since we used this one in the last video, I'm going to use Barocco. I'm expecting this might sting a little bit. I mean, I don't know if there's alcohol in this, but I don't know why I did that. It's not like I can smell it. I'm going to put a few drops on. Yeah, it stings on the throat. Okay. That is this shave and this video done. Thank you very much for watching. If you're still this far in, it's very much appreciated. And again, apologies about not uploading sooner. That was episode 2 of learning how to shave with a cut-throat razor. If you want to see more episodes, because I'm going to be filming them, there's going to be so many of these episodes because it's taking me a long time. It's going to take me a long time to get used to it and to excuse me, and to get a good shave from it. So if that interests you, please feel free to subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe and have a great day.